Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. Welcome to the Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 3. Today we are going to see the rubric anger. Anger means it is a strong feeling of displeasure, outburst of passion or expression due to some provocation. A strong feeling of displeasure and usually of antagonism. Anger is an intense emotional state involving a strong, uncomfortable, and hostile response to a pursued provocation, hurt, or threat. Anger rubric refers in general more to the feeling, while rage refers to the behavior. Feeling of violent anger, this may not be visible to others as the loss of control implicit in rage. So this is the anger meaning. Then Hindi meaning गुस्सा करना, क्रोध, रोष. मराठी मीनिंग तीव्र असमाधानाची भावना, क्रोध, भांडण अथवा मारामारीला कारणीभूत भावनेचा तीव्र उद्रेक. This is Marathi meaning of anger. Then remedies. Some of the common remedies such as aconite, arsenic, belladonna, bryonia, calcarea, chamomilla, senna, colocynth, pipersulf, ignitia, calisulf, lycopodium, myrrh, nux vomica, sepia, staphysagra, sulfur, tarantula, and thuja. So these are the number of remedies of anger. Now we will see some of the anger remedies in detail. First is chamomilla. Chamomilla has got anger easily, violent anger, anger with the face red, anger trifles at, anger being approached to a person, consoled when, contradiction from, anger children in, spoken to when, touched when, refused when things he wants when, then anger with throws the things around, anger causes suppression of milk in mother, anger with abdominal complaints, asthmatic respiration or respiration difficulty with, and anger with pain. So this is the chamomilla anger. Then we will see the ignitia anger. Ignitia anger comes violent easily, anger himself with sudden and alternating with cheerfulness, hysteria, jesting, anger contradiction from, anger reapproaches from, or from hearing reapproaches with others, taciturnity with anger sudden animal towards or towards family, anger respiration difficulty with, and anger color brown colors too. So this is the ignitia anger. Then comes lycopodium anger. Lycopodium angers come easily, violent, after waking on, trifles about, vection about former, absent person while thinking of, besides oneself being, contradiction from, anger in children, sudden touch of pain, jealousy with, anger laughing with, and anger hunger pain. So this is the lycopodium anger. Then we will see the nux vomica anger. Naksumika anger comes easily, violent, breaking things, trifle sad, morning waking when, answers when obligated to, besides oneself being, anger with face red, anger mistake about his, anger when objects are not in the proper place, anger in children when consoled, contradiction from, anger with excitement after emotional, anger with himself, then anger with delusions during menopause with, interruption with, anger with jealousy, anger pains about, and there is a paralysis from anger. This is Naksumika anger. Then we will see the Stapisagre anger. Stapisagre anger comes easily, suddenly, violent, trifle sad, with a face pain, throws the things around, weeps from pain, contradiction from, anger in children's, himself with, mistake about his, anger with, pushes the table away, paralysis from anger, and anger with respiratory complaints or respiratory difficulty, abdominal complaints, or anger with throat pit with constriction of, or voice with complaints of. This is the Stapisagre anger. Then belladonna anger. Belladonna anger comes easily, suddenly, trifle sad, with a face red, morning waking when, anger alternating with weeping, anger in children's, himself with, and mistake about his. This is the belladonna anger. Then Sinna anger. Sinna anger, especially in children's, when refuser thinks what he wants, touched away, anger with throwing the things around, cursing from, or with worm complaints. This is the sin anger. Then colocynth. Colocynth anger comes easily, trifle sad, or when questioned when, throws the things around, answers when obligated to, anger delusion during menopause with, anger pains about, and anger abdominal complaints with. This is the colocynth anger. Then tarantula anger. Tarantula anger comes violently, throws the things around, anger with conversation from, contradiction from, anger despair with, anger in children's when touched. So these are the some important remedies explanation of anger. Then we will see the anger cross references one by one. The first cross references for anger is barking, bellowing. Barking is to speak in a loud, curt, and angry tone, to make a loud, rough noise, that is bhonkna. Then bellowing. Bellowing is a shouting in a loud and deep voice, especially because of anger. Bellowing is chikna. Then next cross references is breaking things. Breaking things means inclination to break the things, rules, traditions, customs. Then cross. Cross is ill humor marked by typical bad temper, irritation, and anger. Then destructiveness. Destructiveness is causing destructive or damage, or causing great irreparable loss. Then comes fight wants to. Then hatred. Hatred means it is an extremely strong feeling of dislike. Strong dislike with a desire to destroy or harm anyone who makes him anger. Hatred can evoke feeling of animosity or anger or resentment which can be directed against certain individual, group, entities, objects, behavior, concept or ideas. Then indignation. Indignation means feeling of anger and scorn, feeling caused by what is considered as unworthy of one's dignity. Indignation is the anger excited by a sense of wrong or by injustice, wickedness, or misconduct. Indignation, on the other hand, describes a particular mood or attitude rather than predisposition. The next cross reference is irritability. Irritability is easily annoyed, feeling of something disagreeable to one's mind, state of excitability to impatience or anger or annoyance. Abnormal or excessive excitability of an organ or part of the body. Irritability is a state in which the person is easily annoyed but less intense than anger. Then comes offended easily. Offended easily means to displease easily, get annoyed easily by least provocation or cause. A sense of dislike, anger, or vexation on the least disliking of act for happening. State in which the person is hypersensitive to criticism and very inclined to take personally the actions and behavior of the others. He is easily affronted or feels slighted by the words and actions of others which he over readily sees as an insult or ill treatment. So this is the offended easily. Then what is meant by peevish? Peevish means hard to please, irritable, easily annoyed by unimportant things. Then quarrelsome. Quarrelsome is tendency to quarrel or dispute for slightest matter. Argumentative. Quarrel is an anger, argument or disagreement between the two peoples. Then comes rage. Rage means a violent, uncontrollable anger. Rage is a strong anger that is difficult to control. Violent anger expressed in the wild, excited words and gestures spread with a destructive effect. Extreme anger, fury, violent, uncontrollable anger. Violent anger accompanied with furious words, gestures, or agitations, anger excited to fury. Anger rubric refers in general more to feelings, while the rage refers to the behavior. Patient get extremely angry. He desires to blame others. This is the rage. Then tearing things in general. Tearing means to split. Then vexation. Vexation means to annoy, to irritating. Then violent, vehement, etc. This is the acting with or marked by or resulting from great force or energy or emotional intensity, unnatural, showing a very strong feeling, especially anger. Then wildness. Wildness is uncivilized, rough, or the quality of being uncontrolled, violent, or extreme. Character of being uncultivated, undomesticated, or inhospitality. This is the wildness. So these are the different cross references for anger. Then we will see the miasm of anger. The miasm of anger is psychosis. Then we will see the disease condition of anger, that is the psychiatric condition. The first is personality disorder, second is organic psychosis, then mania, and then partial schizophrenia. So this is all about the anger in this episode. So friends, if you like all this episode, please do like, do share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you for your kind listening.